How can the criticism and feedback from colleagues and readers drive future improvements in SB research itself? How can this type of ongoing feedback contribute to the broader scientific community's understanding of sodium-ion batteries? Why is it essential for scientific research, especially in rapidly developing fields like SBs, to remain open to criticism and new ideas? Can Davis Zurns manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? What is the significance of acknowledging the limitations of the book publicly, and what does it say about the nature of scientific progress? How does this kind of openness to critique reflect the collaborative and evolving nature of scientific knowledge? How does the author's willingness to receive feedback demonstrate their commitment to advancing the field and improving their own work? How does the recognition of potential deficiencies or omissions in the book serve as an invitation for further dialogue and research within the scientific community? What kind of impact might this openness have on readers, colleagues, and other researchers in the field of sodium-ion battery technology? How can the willingness to accept criticism enhance the quality of future research, publications, and innovations in the SB field? What significant change did the first industrial revolution bring to mankind, and what is meant by the age of steam? How did coal become the dominant source of energy during this period? What technological advancements were made during the first industrial revolution that allowed coal to become the main energy source? How did the use of steam power impact industries and society as a whole during this time? Why was the first industrial revolution so pivotal in shaping modern industry and energy consumption? How did the second industrial revolution, beginning in the late 1860s, differ from the first industrial revolution in terms of energy sources and technological advancements? What is meant by the age of electricity? And how did it come to define this phase of industrialization? How did the discovery and use of electricity change the landscape of science, technology, and civilization? What role did oil and natural gas play in this transformation? And why were they important in promoting rapid development during the second industrial revolution? How did the shift to electricity affect industries, society, and everyday life in the late 19th and early 20th centuries? In what ways did the third industrial revolution, which began in the late 1940s, build upon the previous revolutions? What were the key characteristics of this revolution? And why was it marked by breakthroughs in the electronic information industry?